Hello everyone, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today is another beautiful tutorial on cable pattern. I've been making different variation of cable pattern, and today is another beautiful one. We are going to use 9 needles for this, using 3 transfer tools. These 3 transfer tools, using them for the crossing, removing this stitch at the edge of it to create a gap, to create a panel for it. So this is 9 needles because I'm using 3 transfer tools, you can see. So this is 3, 3, and this is another 3, making it 9. So, and we are going to be crossing the cable, with 4 rows each. So you can see here that I've just finished crossing here, and the next one to cross is this first one and this to work with. So I'm going to remove the stitches right now. Then one thing you need to notice is this last 3 needle at the edge side, the first 3 needles or stitches will go first. So this is going first. So you need to note that the first 3 by the edge is going first. So, and this is going next to lap it. You can see the needle that I removed for the panel to create a panel. You can latches it up or you can leave it on. Then after finishing the cable pattern, you can unravel them and lash it up. So but I decide to remove this right here. So I'm going to push it outside the 6 needle to E position for easy knitting, for my carriage to pass on it easily, and knit 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm done with this. So right now I'm going to come here, and the middle one, I told you the first 3 needles at the edge side are the one to go first. So we're going right here. This is going first, the white one. The stitches on the white transfer tools is going first. Then this is going next. So I'm going to knit 4 rows, pushing them to E or D position and knit 4 rows. So right now I'm going to come to here. This is the first 3 by this side I want to work with, and this is the middle one. So the edge one go first. This goes first and this follows. So that's it. Then pushing them out and knit 4 rows. Then I'm going to come here, then this go first because it's the first one by this side, and this go first, and this go over, and this overlap it right now. Then I'm going to push this to E position and knit. So let's see what we have, guys. So you can see what we have here. You can see the braids, you can see the cable, so beautiful. This is another cable variation and so unique and beautiful.